Data sets in Microwave Office save old data. And what you can do with that is, for example, plot it, reuse it, and look at it in various ways. In order to create a data set, you have to have the right circuit simulator. Most simulators in Microwave Office support data sets. The one exception is the default linear simulator. What I have here is a very simple filter, the result here, which is the return loss. And so what I'm going to do is change the default linear simulator to an AppLac linear simulator. Here is the measurement dialog box. You can see simulator type. We'll go ahead and make that AppLac. Now notice the trace disappears because I have to resimulate. We've never simulated with the AppLac simulator. I go ahead and simulate. And if you look here in the project browser, you'll notice under datasets it says stub filter, which was the name of our filter. And here is a data set. You'll see a green box, which means it's the current data set, and a rather cryptic name that probably doesn't mean much to you. I'm going to change that name. If we look at the schematic, which is shown here, which was used to create the filter, notice the length of the stub is 10 millimeters, simple stub filter. I'm going to change this data set name, right click, rename data set to 10, spaces are fine, millimeters. So we'll actually know what it is. Now, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to go back to the schematic and change it to 5 millimeters for the stub length. And of course, the trace grays out. It's not up to date. It was for the old 10 millimeter. I resimulate, and we're back up to date. Notice we've created another data set. And the green data set, the current data set, is our 5 millimeter. I rename it to 5 millimeters, and there we go. What if I want to see the old 10 millimeter data set? The easy way to do that is go to the data set, right click on the 10, update results, or you could just try shift click. And look now at the graph, and what we see here is the 10 millimeter data set. Notice the legend is grayed out, meaning you're not using the current data. And a new legend box has appeared saying that trace D1 is using the 10 millimeter data set. So you can actually go back and forth between the new data and the old. If you want to get back to the new data, just hit the simulate button and it will go back to the green data set. You can, of course, add another trace which will show the different data sets. So what I'm going to do here is I right click on the measurement in the legend, duplicate measurement, measurement dialog box comes up, and over here for data set, not the current one, but I'm going to use the 10 millimeter one. Okay, we get another measurement, simulate button, and you can see in the legend at 10 millimeters, it's using the 10 millimeter data set. So it's possible to actually plot the old data sets as extra traces.